week we have a giveaway from Kraemer Yarns. I have six yarn kits to give away for this cowl that I'm wearing right now. It's called the Gilgamesh Cowl, and this is so crazy because this is going to make you laugh. I'm sure it is because it made me laugh so hard. Gilgamesh is a superhero in Mesopotamian mythology, and this cowl is designed to look just like his beard. Can we cut away to a picture of Gilgamesh, please? Look at his beard. And look at this cowl. It looks exactly like his beard. And it was really fun to knit. And you saw when I was wearing it that it's like this really voluminous, lush cowl made with this beautiful merino yarns. Kraemer did a great job on this. And here, let me tell you about this yarn. It is worsted weight. It's called Naturally Nazareth. It's 200 yards. And this one is, it's 2 hanks, and this one happens to be blue. It's 100% merino. Really nice to work with. I'll tell you, I work with merino yarns all the time. I work with all kinds of yarns all the time. This yarn, while I was working with it, my hands actually felt nicer than they did before I was knitting it. Like I'd finish knitting it and my hands would feel really nice. I don't know, maybe it's magic yarn. I have 6 different kits to give away. I think I have 4 different colors. Let me choose the colors for you. They're all beautiful. 6 winners will be happy with what they got. If you want to enter to win Gilgamesh's beard, just click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner to go to my website. All the information will be there, as well as if you can't wait to see if you're going to win or not, I'll have information about where to get this pattern and the yarn for it, everything else. Anyway, good luck.